Frequent flyer flies, la 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 la. Frequent flyer is back.
What's up? You checking out the Frequent Flyer? Welcome back to the channel. Smash the like button to show your support. If you're new to the channel, I'd like to extend a warm welcome. I'm back out here with the happy model Mob6 Hdzero ECO, and you might have noticed it has a different frame. I have the Meteor 65 Pro frame and it's cheating a little. The frame is 65.5 millimeters from multiples to multiples instead of the normal 65 millimeters, and so that means the props are a little larger. Can't remember the size of the props, but let's get this guy up in the air, see how it flies. I got these in there, got one of these on, a Tattoo 300 milliamp hour 1S, and so I also have this guy, my Jumper T Pro, Express LRS in effect, y'all. So let's get this guy up in the air. I also have my Emax Transporter 2 HD goggle monitor out here. So got that out here. Let me plug this guy up. Get a flight with it real quick. A little more punch and everything on this frame. I'm actually flying at line of sight right now, y'all. Let's get this guy going on some FPV. This little camera right here isn't the best, y'all, as far as resolution. Well, we're getting a little staticky over there. Let's come back over here. It's really a bad time for flying. This time of night it's starting to get dark, the sun is going down, so it's a lot of shadow and stuff. Can't really see that good with this camera. And we'll try to bring it back over here, y'all. Back in angle mode. See how it brightens up once I get underneath here. Let's bring it back in to land it. Fun little quick flight. I think I like it more with this frame right here. Let me turn my stuff off. Make sure I got the recording. Okay. So, an awesome little tiny whoop made even more awesome with this little frame right here. This is the Beta FPV Meteor 65 Pro frame. And this will make this little guy fly a little bit better. Give a little more punch to it, because the props are slightly larger than the normal sized props that fit inside the 65 millimeter frames. And so pretty awesome. Thanks for watching. Hope you guys are enjoying your week.